In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we sail north up to the Hongs of Thailand. And we see some beautiful sights only accessible by kayak. Thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible. And thank you to CharterCatamaran.com for supplying the boat we're currently sailing. Time is running out to register for the Sailing Doodles Flotilla. There's a link in the show notes. You can sail on any of these boats. Okay, we're heading out today. We spent the night here. That's Koh Hong Resort, Koh Hong Island, actually. Really great place. Probably one of the best dinners we've had in Thailand, honestly. A little pricey though, but if you have the money and you want to go there, all for it. But we're heading up now to the, I forget the name of the state park, but it's where they film like James Bond, the man with the golden gun and all that. It's really, these really tall, spiring cliffs and all that stuff, so.
Are you gonna take me rock climbing?
Yeah, maybe so. Let's do some rock climbing. All right, let's go. We used the davits to haul up the dinghy and then hauled up the mainsail. The northern part of the bay near Phuket has some absolutely beautiful and unique islands. Well, this is Koh Hong. James Bond Island is a couple more islands up. We'll probably end up going there tomorrow. We'll take the canoes out, or the kayaks out, and we'll go explore. There's some like tidal caves you can go in and out of. We'll do that. It's really touristy right now, but apparently that all dies down like in the evenings. There'll be just us here, which would be kind of nice.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah, so we'll go check it out. These islands, known as the Hongs, have some of the most unique landscapes I've ever seen. The word Hong translates to room island. There are lagoons on the interior of these islands, only accessible by tidal caves. We were looking forward to exploring the Hongs by kayak.
But first, a cold one. Babe, right? You know, these are camouflage. How are you gonna find me? What if you lose me?
I don't think there's any way of losing sight of Laura. Get through right here. This is a really cool spot. I mean, it's kind of like the inside of this island. You just get through it by cave.
I like it.
Everybody's been teasing us about crocodiles. There's no crocodiles in here. Watch us get tumped over by one. Wow, this is gorgeous though. I mean, beautiful.
I don't think you can swim here, though. The rocks are really rough. Wow.
One really cool thing about being cruising is that we were taking our own kayaks on our own time, exploring the Hongs, while everybody else was on a guided tour on a time limit. After spending an hour or so playing, it was time to head back to the boat.
I like that place. I mean, that's up there with New Way and all those rock formations and places to explore. Gotta see this.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I'm looking forward to being here tonight when like all the tour boats are gone. It's like just our boat, maybe another sailboat if somebody shows up in here. I mean,
it's an amazing sunset to go with all
on,
this.
we'll be protected on all sides really, except there's no wind coming from that way, so it should be pretty nice. This would be a really nice place. This place is not getting old. I mean, it's just beautiful. Absolutely. A lot of current coming through here though. Well, all the tourist boats are gone. It's nice and quiet except for the boat, the little working barge up here. They've got a generator running and they're running a grinder, fixing something. I'm hoping that doesn't like run all night. There's 3 guys still stay on. I guess they stay on it overnight every night. Because what they do is they have all these canoes, kayaks or whatever, and those speedboats pull up, and speedboats don't have any of the kayaks on them, anything like that. So then speedboats pull up to that, and they get a tour guide that takes them through the caves and all that.
I'd say 3 times a day those boats can be loading.
Oh, way more than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean they're in and out. I mean there's probably 500, at least 500 people a day that come here, maybe more. Would be my guess. Probably 500 minimum, and 1,000 on a good day. And these guys just run them through. But it's nice and relaxing. Hopefully they turn the generator off soon, and it'll be an awesome, beautiful place to chill. What are we doing for dinner tonight, Laura?
I feel like I've made the last few meals. It's your turn.
She gives me a turn when we're like out of food. We have like, we have pasta with like a red sauce. I think we have 1 sausage left.
You want to have breakfast? Making pancakes. You love making pancakes.
We'll do real breakfast. I don't know. We'll figure something out. We were hoping for a nice, beautiful, relaxing evening. It just wasn't in the cards.